The Catalina feature that has created the largest interest is Sidecar, which enables you to use an iPad as a secondary Mac screen. Here I am turning on Sidecar on the Mac. Notice how the iPad screen immediately becomes a secondary Mac screen, complete with a dock and with special modifier keys along the left side. There is no wired connection between the Mac and the iPad. Parallels Desktop 15 has added a new menu to the green full screen button to make it especially easy to move windows to the iPad. When you turn on tablet mode in Windows 10, you can use the Apple Pencil like the Surface Pro stylus. Here I am using the pressure sensitivity feature of the Apple Pencil with a painting application from the Microsoft Store. Parallels Desktop 15 supports all the other features of the Apple Pencil too, including tilt and double tap. When you launch a Windows app for which Parallels Desktop has touch bar support, like Microsoft Word, the touch bar gets displayed on the iPad.